Top 6 Kali Linux Tools for 2024. Fluxion. Wi-Fi is growing more popular each year, making it a more attractive target of opportunity for hackers. That's why pen testers must have the capacity to test Wi-Fi networks for security leaks. Fluxion is a Wi-Fi analyzer specializing in mutant WPA attacks and lets you scan wireless networks. John the Ripper gets points for a creative name. This hacker's resource is a multi-platform cryptography testing tool that works equally well on Linux, Windows, macOS, and Unix. It enables system administrators and security penetration testers to test the strength of any system password by launching brute force attacks. Additionally, John the Ripper can be used to test encryptions like DACE, SHA-1, and many others. Linux is most likely one of the most comprehensive tools available for cybersecurity compliance. For example, PCI, HIPAA, SOX, system auditing, system hardening, and testing. In addition, thanks to its numerous capabilities, Linux also functions as an effective platform for vulnerability scanning and penetration testing. Metasploit framework. Remote computing is on the rise thanks to more people working from home. Metasploit framework, or MSF for short, is a Ruby-based platform used by ethical hackers to develop, test, and execute exploits against remote hosts. Metasploit includes a complete collection of security tools intended for penetration testing, plus a powerful terminal-based console known as MSF console, which lets you find targets, exploit security flaws, launch scans, and collect all relevant available data. Nikto enables ethical hackers and pen testers to conduct a complete web server scan to discover security vulnerabilities and related flaws. Nmap is the most well-known network mapper tool in IT circles. It lets you discover active hosts within any network and gain additional information related to penetration testing, such as existing open ports. Conclusion. In conclusion, mastering these top 6 Kali Linux tools in 2024 will significantly enhance your cybersecurity skills, enabling you to effectively identify, analyze, and mitigate various security threats.